Hey guys, this is Tambria. I'm with Willis Mitchell and Associates Realty, and I'm a licensed realtor here in Georgia. And I'm coming to you today because it's Sagittarius season. Well, not really because it's Sagittarius season, but during Sagittarius season is when you start making your list about what you want to do next year, goals you want to accomplish. So if buying a home is on that list, then you need to join us this Wednesday, December 2nd at 7 p.m. for a virtual home buyer workshop. We're going to have Primerica there, AmWest Funding Group there. So bring all of your questions about the home buying process, getting pre-approved, insurance, anything you want to know about, bring all of your questions to us on Wednesday, December 2nd at 7 p.m. and we will answer all of your questions. It's virtual, so you can come as you are, come in your pajamas, however you want to come, appropriately come, then, we'll share all of our information with you. Now to register, www.tambriapeoples.com. I'll place that somewhere here so you guys can click on it. tambriapeoples.com, and that's where you register. And also, we're going to be giving away Amazon gift cards, so that'll be cool too. And lastly, I want to shout out my Sag brothers and sisters, and see you guys then.